Today's adventure starts here in Slovakia and ends right here in Vienna. Look at you guys, it's like we're not in Iceland, we're in Vienna. As I was saying, the journey ends here, but now we're back here in Slovakia. We're gonna get a train to catch. Oh, my back. Do I press that button? Oh, stand level. Mishi, can you please tell us where we are right now?
It's written over there.
And how do you pronounce it?
Kozaroce.
Indy, tell me that you love me. Say that you love me. Say it. Please say it again. What? This train does not have first class. I'm sorry, Indy, to disappoint you. You want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Can you hold that?
Yeah. Thank you, vielen Dank. Thank you.
I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Just when you thought we were moving, no. We're still. Why? No, because you just getting glue. The hotel we booked tonight in Vienna, I've always wanted to stay here, and it's kind of spooky at night because underneath, how do you say Stephansplatz, honey? Stephansplatz. Underneath it are there's all these like skulls and bones from the 1800s where they used to throw our bodies down in the well with the Black Plague, I think. Was that it? It was, eh? It was full of diseases back in those days and they had nowhere to get rid of the bodies, so they just tie a bell around your neck. When you hear anyone with a bell, you used to run, obviously. All the way to Stephansplatz. Nice! Here we are!
Yes.
And guess where our hotel is? That one up there. Well, that's the restaurant and the hotel, yep, this is it. Feel like a glass of wine, my darling. This glass is so clean, it almost looks like there's no glass. Thank you, thank you. Andy, if I can get this cap in that glass, you've got to go down there and do 10 star jumps. Deal?
Yeah.
Oh, can you do it? Can you do it? Yep. Damn it. It's just a little bit naughty.
Maybe they got too carried away and they didn't have any ideas.
Cha-ching. Maybe they need a permit or something to play there. The police are giving them a fine. You naughty little naughty girls.
And long
There's
pants.
so much to see down here. I mean, look at this old geezer just on his walker. He's probably a bit cold, isn't he?
Oh my god.
Oh, someone's helping him.
He's giving him some money.
Oh, someone give him it too. Oh, that's a nice thing to do. Okay, what are we going to do, guys?
You got cash in your pocket.
Yes, I have, yep.
So we do the coffee with the cones, but no ice cream in the cone with coffee.
So you have the cone with the coffee.
Yes.
Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest.
Indy wants to go to the oldest restaurant in Vienna and get a schnitzel. A little schnitzel.
Should we sit inside?
How many years old is this restaurant?
Very young, 500.
550 years old.
See, Ma, it's so all the seats are coming off.
This room is classified as a historical moment. Beethoven signed this wall. He's been in here and signed it. It's incredible. A whole lot of famous signatures in here. Einstein, Snoop Dogg, Phil Collins. Look, Phil Collins right there. What's down there?
Person down there.
Wait.
Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest.
Not the top.
We like the proper
It is very cool, guys.
Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake. Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest.
There's the girls. Cheers. Indy, Mishi. Have you seen in here, honey? Like this little, like a shoe bag or something. What's that?
It's not selling me. McDonald's for dinner.
McDonald's.
Just at Vienna, McDonald's do gluten free.
Just wiggle your heel and shake your chest. Just wiggle your heel and shake.
Just cruising the streets of Vienna after 2 glasses of red wine. Beautiful wine, by the way. And Vienna's a beautiful city. It's so beautiful. I want to live here. I've always wanted to live here. I'm going to live here. One-handed on a scooter is so much harder than riding a skateboard. The scooter keeps like slowing down to 1 kilometer an hour and then back to boost mode. I think it's because if you go on the pavement, it knows. It's like the GPS location is very accurate. Hard to video and lime scooter at the same time. In fact, it's probably quite dangerous. Got him.
Let me tell you. Girl, you my little boo thing. So I'll give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know.
Oh, it's incredible here. Are you scared, mother? She's gonna come out traumatized.
Let me tell you. Girl, you my little boo thing. So I'll give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell him I'm next. Tell him you find a little something too fresh, I know. Tell him I'm
Like to go on a roller coaster with me? Like that?
You spin me right round, baby, right round.